Are you tired of learning photography from the YouTube University, which leaves you with more questions than answers? As they say, you should learn from others' mistakes. Watch this video till the end because I'm going to provide you a solution for all your photography learning needs. Hi, my name is Amol Patil and I'm the founder of Masterpics, a leading photography agency operating out of Mumbai. I am also a photography educator, and in the past 10 years, I have taught 10,000 people in the art and science of photography. If I'm not shooting my clients, then I'm teaching enthusiastic students like you the art of photography. If I'm not shooting, if I'm not teaching, then definitely I am writing. I am the author of The Ultimate Guide to Photography Fundamentals, a collection of photography cheat sheets. Masterpics is glad to announce a 4-day photography physical workshop at my studio in Mumbai, where you can learn the photography nuances from yours truly, Amol Patil. I will be teaching you right from scratch the basics of photography, but then I'll be graduating you to the advanced topics of photography: shutter, aperture, ISO, white balance, exposure compensation, metering mode, focus area modes, AFS, AFC, AFA. Check the agenda. Not only that, I will be accompanying you to the photo walk, where I will put to test what you have learned in my studio. We'll be giving you assignments, asking you to click pictures and submit it to me for my review. What's good, bad, and ugly about them is what you can expect from me. Your best picture is always your next picture. Needless to say, you will have access to my exclusive WhatsApp group where thousands of enthusiastic students like you are exceptionally doing well. Photography is fun learning in a group, isn't it? Mind you, you're paying for just a 4-day workshop, but then the association is for a lifetime. Go, check on the link below. Check out the dates. Don't forget to glance over the exclusive bonuses lined up for you worth thousands of rupees. Worth mentioning, you will get the Ultimate Photography Spoon Feed Bundle, collection of cheat sheets. You will also get the entire recording of the photography course with a lifetime validity. Never get lost on photography. Click on the link below and I will be happy to host you for the 4-day physical workshop at my studio in Mumbai. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it is my promise, these 4 days are going to be a turning point in your journey called photography. See you in the workshop.